Take a seat, enjoy the ride through 5 China-Pakistan friendship tunnels spanning 7 kilometers at the height of 2,500 meters in Hunza, Attabad. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new video. मैंने जाना है from point A to point B Attabad Lake. दरमियान में आप जो ऊंची ऊंची पहाड़ियाँ देख रहे हैं दोस्तों, ये आम टनल्स नहीं हैं. ये तकरीबन 2500 की हाइट पे ये पहाड़ियाँ हैं और मैंने बहुत ढूंढा कि मुझे पता चले कि टनल्स कहाँ पे हैं. मुझे कोई भी मैप नहीं मिली, मुझे खुद बनानी पड़ी. मुझे 2.5 घंटे लगे इसको मार्कर से हाईलाइट करने में. ये देखें, ये 5 टनल्स. For those who are non-Pakistanis and Pakistani diaspora, I welcome you on top of the world. Karakoram Highway, which is built by China and Pakistan, is the highest paved highway in the world. So you can imagine the breathtaking scenery that you will get to see. Tunnel number 1, we have to cross this monstrous mountain. Attabad Tunnel number 1. I must say I was not that impressed because the drive-through lasted only a couple of seconds. But wait, I was in for a big surprise. Just wait and see the second tunnel. In this picture you will see entrance of tunnel number 2. You can see how huge the mountain is that we will have to cross. Here you will see where we will exit tunnel 2. In the middle you will see mountain 3. Tunnel number 2. While you are enjoying this, I want to share that the total length of Karakoram Highway is 13 kilometers, about 810 miles. I live in Rotterdam, Holland, and from Holland to Paris it's 450 kilometers. So you can imagine 1300 kilometers long. 1300 kilometers long, the highest paved highway in the world. China and Pakistan started working on this highway in 1959 and it was opened and completed in 1979. The sad part is 810 Pakistanis and 200 Chinese workers lost their lives, and mostly in landslides and falls while building the highway. Over 140 Chinese who died during the construction are buried in the Chinese cemetery in Gilgit. If you are planning this trip of northern Pakistan and you decide to drive, you bring your own vehicle, I must tell you that driving along the Karakoram Highway is considered to be one of the wonders of the world due to its tough terrain and unbelievable views of one of the world's most extraordinary mountain ranges, whilst passing through diverse cultures. Yes, you will see different cultures. You can talk to the people. They are very, very friendly. then you will see the other side of Pakistan, not the side, not the view that you will see on international media. Exit tunnel 3. Now we will enter tunnel 4. Again you can see the monstrous mountain that we have to cross. This message of mine is to those parents, Pakistani parents who live abroad, who come to Pakistan, who visit their family in the city, in village, then go back home. Then they wonder, why do their children not want to visit Pakistan anymore? Well, why would they? When you do not show the beauty of Pakistan, when you keep them in the village, when you go from family to family, which is important. Visit your family members. Alhamdulillah. Visit Nani, Nana, Dadi, Dada, Chachi, Chacha, Puppa, Pupi, Khala, Khalu. Alhamdulillah. But show them Pakistan. The children, the mindset of children is not like yours. You are born in Pakistan and you have lived in Pakistan. You have memories. You are not bored in your village or in the city, or you are not bored when you visit and spend time with your family members, but the children are. You have to show them something more. Show them the unmatchable beauty of Pakistan. Go to the northern areas. Don't only go to Murree, for God's sake. There are 10 times more beautiful places than Murree. Go beyond Murree. Go to Karachi. Go to Balochistan. Go to Quetta, go to Peshawar, go to Lahore if you live in Pindi or Islamabad. Visit different places, man. Show them. Because people come from abroad to visit Pakistan. It's also the duty of the children. Pressurize your parents. Tell them, you want to get out. I know it's summer and it's extremely hot. Well, maybe that is the reason. You can tell them you can't bear the heat. Spend a couple of days in the northern areas where the temperature is much cooler. Well, this is what I truly believe in, and I'm upset about that. There are many children nowadays, they think, Pakistan में बहुत गर्मी है, हमने नहीं जाना, फिर दादी दादा नानी नाना को बार बार visit करना. No, you have to show them more than family members, my friends. Finally, we will cross mountain number 5. Tunnel number 5. Guys, we have reached end of the 5th tunnel. We will go ahead to Hunza Pass, that is China-Pakistan border. अगर आप में से जिसने भी ये 11 मिनट का वीडियो देखा तो सलाम पेश करता हूँ. मुझे इसको एडिट करने में 11 आवर्स से ज़्यादा टाइम लगा है. अगर आपने फिर भी मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फिर क्या कर सकता हूँ. आई स्टिल लव यू. मेरा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन कीजिएगा, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा. Guys, look at the left side. Have you ever seen a lake this beautiful? This lake was formed in 2010 after disastrous landslide in Attabad. Now it is a huge tourist attraction in Gilgit Baltistan. You can do boating, jet skiing, fishing, and other recreational activities. I will come here and show you the lake when I come back from Hunza Pass.